Precision machining and quality heat treatment have made the reputation of SOMECAB and TTDV for over 30 years. Based right in the centre of the massive Centrale, SOMECAB and TTDV have become the preferred partners of industrialists making trucks, construction equipment, army equipment, aeronautics, agriculture, the motor industry and railways all over the world. Quality, resourcefulness and constant financial investments are the drivers of SOMECAB and TTDV's success. SOMECAB's capacity to adapt has led it to invest in sets of ultra-modern machining tools that combine quality, flexibility and productivity. Axle housings, axle shafts and cylinder rods are machined, drilled and tapped on 5 medium and high capacity 5-axis machining centres, achieving a precision of close to 1 micron. Shops with over 300 tools per machine allow any type of machining. For even more flexibility in production, fixtures are assembled in-house. The CNC lathes can machine parts up to 1200 mm in diameter and up to 3 meters long. A dedicated area enables SOMECAB to offer a production capacity in small or mass productions, straight spur and helical gearing. The technical characteristics of these machines allow one to go up to module 16 for a maximum diameter of 800 mm and a height of 2 meters. All classes of gear are achievable with or without precision of teeth. In order to complement its offering, SOMECAB can carry out broaching and rolling operations on any type of gearing. Before shipment, a significant sample of parts produced is inspected on a computerized measuring machine to ensure total compliance with customer tolerances. For a comprehensive service, SOMECAB and TTDV handle the outbound, inbound transportation of the parts they are entrusted with for their customer. TTDV and SOMECAB are certified ISO 9001. Therefore, they test, approve and certify all their products in their in-house test laboratories. Beyond the techniques, SOMECAB is considered to be a responsible company. Reconciling economic development, integration of the company into local life and environmental protection are the goals the SOMECAB Group has set itself. Encouraged by its technical and economic track record and above all by the satisfaction of its customers, the SOMECAB Group perseveres and continues to invest heavily in its plant and equipment to provide yet more services to industrialists constantly in search of excellence.